Ah, quit!
God.
Shoot, man. Come on. God, that chain is stretching. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. This is going to be episode 1. We got a brand new build. The last truck was absolutely phenomenal. It turned out amazing, so we wanted to challenge ourselves to see if we could make this one better. So what we got behind us here is a mint condition 2013 Toyota Tacoma. We picked up at Copart. This truck is a Tennessee truck. We know it's a Tennessee truck. We're going to show you why we know it's a Tennessee truck here in just a few minutes. We did buy it in Tennessee, but that don't make it a Tennessee truck. This truck has got just a little bit of damage up front. This one got hit. It got hit pretty good. We definitely got our work cut out for us. We can see where our gaps are off here just a little bit. So what we're going to do first, what we always like to do, is we like to give these things a fresh wash when we first get them, get all the dirt, all the grime, everything off of them. So why don't we go ahead and do that, then we'll show you what we're dealing with, and maybe we can get this truck up on the frame machine, start pulling some of this back out, because our radiator's into our fan. So we got, like I said, we got our work cut out for us, but we're not afraid. We're going to make this truck one of the best looking trucks that we've ever had. So let's stop talking and let's start working.
So we just got this thing cleaned up. It's just easier for us to get it in and out of the shop and see what's wrong with it. So what we've done now is we pulled it up on the frame machine. We're going to start taking the skid plate off. We're going to wrap it around here. Get it bucked down first though. We're going to pull it around the cross member, pull that out a little bit. We're going to get right up in here, pull the radiator support out a little bit, see the damage, undo the damage, and then we'll assess what we need and go from there. So let's get to work.
Shoot, man. Come on. God, that chain is stretching.
Whoa, why are we going
Oh, boy, their machine's going up.
Why is it doing that?
Five times.
You pull these apart, it's 10. Let me know what you got. I can see you.
Come on, come on. Hang on. Don't come out. I don't want it. Yeah, come on.
Perfect.
Alrighty guys, we did get the truck down from the frame machine. We got everything pulled out. We got a bunch of good preliminary pulls. We pulled that cross member back out, but we're going to replace all of that. We're going to replace the whole radiator support. We took the radiator, the condenser, the shroud, and everything off. Took the fan off, you know, just kind of making sure everything that got damaged is getting replaced. So that's where we're at with this thing. We're going to probably going to take it outside, you know, finish up a little bit of stuff and kind of see where we're at. But we're really happy with our progress so far. We've done a ton of work today and a ton of work in this video. So let's see if our fan's bent. We're going to check our water pump, kind of see how that is. So that's where we're at right now. That's what we're going to keep doing. Alrighty guys, man, we are super proud of the work we got done today. Everything is turning out 100% amazing. It's actually a whole lot better than what we thought. When we first saw this truck, we was a little bit nervous about the way it got hit, but it looks like our rails are good. Everything is good. This little cross member is bent. We pulled it back straight, but we're going to go ahead and replace it. I mean, we even set a radiator support stand back up. Everything is looking really good. It's coming together really great. The water pump and everything's good. It's just that where it got hit and the fan went into the radiator, it's got a tight spot in the clutch. So we're just going to go ahead and get us a new fan clutch, and everything's going to be 100% amazing. This truck's going to be beautiful. It's going to be really hard for us to top the green one that we just fixed. If you haven't checked out that series, check it out right here. We'll leave a link to the playlist for that one. It's going to be hard, but I think we've got a vision to get this thing looking 100% It's going to be an amazing truck. Do think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. If you like this video and you like the content, drop us a like. It really helps us out. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Drop us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.